Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create predictive analytics with Salesforce, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Salesforce Analytics Studio. Select Create from the top right corner. Choose Dataset to start building your data model. Upload the dataset you want to analyze. Make sure your data is clean and structured properly. Select the relevant fields that you would like to include in your analysis. Next, click on Explore to visualize your data. Evaluate the insights presented in the charts and graphs. Use the filters to narrow down your results as needed. Once satisfied with your visualizations, proceed to create a dashboard. Select Dashboard from the main menu. Click on Create New Dashboard. Add components to display your key metrics. Customize each component to reflect the insights you want to showcase. Now, it's time to introduce predictive analytics. Navigate to Einstein Analytics. Select Prediction Builder. Choose the dataset you prepared earlier. Define the outcome you want to predict. Specify the features that will assist in making that prediction. Adjust the settings to refine your model if necessary. Click Train Model to start the predictive analysis process. Once your model is trained, review the results. Assess the accuracy and performance metrics provided. If satisfied, save your prediction model. Integrate the predictive model into your dashboard. Visualize the predictions alongside your historical data. Continuously monitor and adjust your model as new data becomes available. Review your dashboard regularly to gauge performance and insights. This will help you make well-informed decisions based on predictive analytics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.